Hey guys, my name is Akbar. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how to create a resources in Azure by using PowerShell with the help of ARM templates. Normally, if you want to create a manually each and every resource in the Azure portal, it's going to take time. So that's why we have come into the picture with the help of ARM template. In my last video, I have given you a walkthrough how I can directly have gone here and directly uploaded a custom template, right? If you remember, these are the predefined common templates which you want to create for your virtual machine for your Windows. Okay. Now, if you want to go for a specific template, okay, go here. Before that, let me delete this. So as soon as I click on save, all these resources will get created. So because this is an ARM template, so when you directly upload through your portal, this entire resources, whatever you're going to mention here, along with those parameters, with those default value, this is admin username, this is a default value, number of instances, default value 4. See here, operating system default value Ubuntu. So variables, what are the variables? VNet, this is a VNet with the 10 series. This is subnet 2. All these resources are going to create with this ARM template. Okay. Now, I don't want to directly upload this ARM template in my portal. I want to do it through PowerShell. Okay. So if I want to do it through PowerShell, what I need to do basically is I need to have a PowerShell on my machine. Let's go ahead and cross check. I have done already the installation of PowerShell. So this is a command which I'm going to copy. I'm going to my section. See here, this is my PowerShell version. Okay. Now, next is, after that, what I need to check is, I need to check either my AZ module is there or not, because I have to execute AZ commands from my PowerShell so that I can connect to Azure portal. Okay. So let me go ahead and execute this just to check either the module is installed or not. Get install module -name AZ. Okay. This is a version. Pretty cool. Okay. Now our prerequisites are done because you have to follow for the instructions for the purpose of installation of the respective PowerShell. See here, install module, name is at repository gallery force, PowerShell update module. So to update a latest version, you have to update here. Like this, you can get the AZ module on your Windows machine. Okay. Let's go ahead and check either I have any resource group on my machine, because I don't want anything. Okay. So as of now, there's no resource group. This is a network watcher resource group. You can ignore this currently. Okay. Now what I want is, as per my plan, with the help of ARM template, using PowerShell, I want to execute. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna execute this connect. So what is basically is happening is, I'm going to connect to my end. I'll show you the tenant ID. See, this is my tenant ID. I've configured the commands already. Connect, easy connect, tenant, and this is my ID. Okay. Now what I do, I'll go here, I'll copy paste this and execute from my PowerShell. Tell me what this is gonna do is, it's gonna connect from my PowerShell to Azure portal. See, it is asking me for a sign into your account. There you go. That's it. So I've connected. So now the next step is I have to create a resource group. Before we have to do anything with our template or anything, we have to create our resources with the help of templates. The prerequisite is we need to have a resource group to be already created with respect to location. So that's why I'm using this command. New AZ resource group. See, I'm not doing anything. Let's wait. Okay, it says succeed. Now let me go to my portal. Let's see if any resource group has been created. Let's refresh. Cool, the resource group got created. Now the next step is I'm going to call the ARM template. Okay, this ARM template.json, which is stored in my local machine, I'm going to call it with the help of PowerShell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this ARM template.json through my PowerShell. It's gonna create all those resources in my ARM RG01 PowerShell resource group. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it's gonna work. Let's keep on refreshing my resource group just to see how it goes. Okay, this is my resource group. I need to watch here if anything is going to happen. Okay, time being, you can ignore this public key which is not supplied over here. See here, the resources has been created. Let's see what resources has been created. Very good. My availability set, default energy, NIC card, all those things. So all these resources has been created with the help of ARM templates, which I have executed through my PowerShell. Okay. Now, if someone comes in and delete my resources, what I have to do? What precautions I have to take? So as part of security reasons, what do I do? I'll go to my resource group. I'll enable the lock mechanism over here. I'll click on add. Do not delete. Okay, read only. The same thing I'll mention here. Do not delete. Okay. Now, after enabling the lock, just give some 1 or 2 minutes so that we'll refresh and let the changes get affected. After that, try to delete any one of the resource in the resource group. Let's see whether whatever the lock mechanism we have applied, it's really working or not. Do you want to delete the availability set? Yes. It says fail to delete availability set. Fail to delete. Why? Why it is failing? Let's check the reason. Okay. Cannot perform delete operation because the following reasons are locked. So, did you see that? Under this specific subscription, under this resource group, under this, please remove the lock and trial. Did you read that message? Right. So, I'll go here, go to my resource group, go to my lock mechanism. If I want to delete any resource for sure, then I have to delete this log. I have enabled this log because some people who are as part of organization discussions, they need to just read access. In that case, I don't want, apart from admins, I don't want anyone to delete the resources. So in that case, infra level security purpose, I have enabled the logs for a time being. If someone really wants to delete, then you can go ahead and delete the lock, and they can go to the respective resources. This availability set one, we try to delete, right? I'm going to delete it. Delete. See, now it is deleting because we have already deleted the lock mechanism. So now there is no restrictions at the infra level. My resource got deleted. Okay. As I've created this through ARM templates, I have to delete the entire stuff here. How can I delete all the resources at a single shot? Delete resource group. Just give the name of the resource group here. If you give the name of the resource group, then everything will get deleted. Delete confirmation. Deleting this resource group and its dependent resources is permanent action. It means whatever the resources that you have created through the ARM template in this specific resource group, everything is going to delete. Okay. That's all, guys, for today's session. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Really working hard to give you the quality content. So click on like and subscribe and encourage my channel so that I can get you with the new content and new videos. So that help you to grow technically. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much. Click on like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for your support. Thank you. Bye-bye.